Today's biggest investment opportunities rarely appear when everyone is talking about them. By the time a trend dominates headlines, much of the easy money has already been made. That's why smart investors don't simply react to the news, they prepare for what's coming next. While many people chase stocks that have already skyrocketed, experienced investors position themselves months before major trends become obvious. The market is forward-looking, meaning stock prices often move long before the economy catches up. Understanding this simple idea can completely change the way you invest and help you avoid one of the biggest mistakes retail investors make, always arriving too late. Right now, several powerful trends are reshaping the investment landscape. Artificial intelligence continues to transform industries, governments are investing billions in infrastructure and advanced manufacturing, and businesses are adapting to a higher interest rate environment. Instead of chasing hype, smart investors are focusing on companies with strong earnings, healthy cash flow, and long-term growth potential. They're also looking beyond the biggest AI companies and investing in the businesses that support the entire ecosystem, including semiconductor manufacturers, cloud computing providers, data center operators, cybersecurity firms, and digital infrastructure companies. These businesses could benefit regardless of which AI company ultimately dominates the market. Another major change is diversification. Rather than putting all their money into a handful of popular tech stocks, successful investors are spreading their investments across sectors like healthcare, industrials, financials, utilities, and infrastructure. Different sectors perform well at different stages of the economic cycle, and diversification helps reduce risk while creating more consistent long-term returns. Many investors are also increasing exposure to dividend-paying companies that generate reliable income and have a history of steady growth. These businesses often perform well during uncertain markets, while allowing investors to benefit from the power of compounding over time. Perhaps the biggest difference between smart investors and everyone else is their mindset. They don't let fear or excitement control their decisions. Instead of reacting to every headline or daily market swing, they focus on long-term trends and stick to a disciplined investment strategy. They understand that building wealth isn't about finding one perfect stock. It's about consistently investing in quality businesses, managing risk, and giving those investments time to grow. While others chase yesterday's winners, smart investors are quietly preparing for tomorrow's opportunities, and that's often the difference between following the market and staying one step ahead of it.